How to connect Namecheap domain to Lovable AI. If you've purchased a domain from Namecheap and want to connect it to Lovable AI to start building a proper professional website, portfolio, or whatever you have, this tutorial will help you step by step through the entire process. So first, make sure you're logged into Namecheap and Lovable and you have your Namecheap domain all good to go. You're in your Namecheap, and what you do is you locate the domain you want to connect. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna go ahead and add in any domain over here. Once we're here, it's gonna give us the domain that we need. You're simply gonna go over to managing settings of your domain and go to the name servers action. If it's currently set to Namecheap basic DNS, change it to custom DNS only if Lovable AI requires specific DNS entries. However, in most cases, you will be staying on the default setting and modifying DNS records under the advanced DNS tabs. Now, once you're in Lovable AI dashboard, choose the website you want to connect to your domain and look for the custom domain option. So here, when it says public, you're going to make sure that you're going to have a proper public domain. And over here, as you can see, you can go over into your settings, and in your settings, you can choose whatever set domain you need for your specific web page. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and create a random landing page over here. And once we have created this, as you can see, it goes ahead and starts spinning up the preview. So here in the publish site section, this is where you're going to add the custom domain. You're going to click on custom domain. And once you do that, you're going to click on connect domain. And obviously you are going to want to have the upper versions for this. But once you go to connect domain, you're going to add in your Namecheap domain. And that is basically how easy it is to add a Namecheap domain to your Lovable AI. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.